Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Today we're gonna do some popping. Check it out. All right, here we go. First of all, I want to thank Rico. That's my assistant right there, Rico helping out. And we're going to do a little bit of popping today. Also, my boy John's behind the camera, so thank you guys. Okay, here we go. Breaking down right into it. This is my intermediate class admission college. Let's get right into it. This is the first 4 count. Let's go slow. 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You check it out. I don't see me popping right now. So first of all, I just want you guys to learn the routine, understand the routine, and then we're gonna pop later. Okay? Here we go. First thing we're gonna do, watch the arms. All right. So this is my left arm touching the shoulder. So right here, Rico actually did the opposite. So this is my left arm. This is my right arm. Okay. My right hand is touching my left elbow. Left hand is touching my right shoulder. It almost looks like a triangle right here. I make a little triangle. That's my 1. Right on the 2, I put my arms down, but I'm pivoting. I'm gonna rewind it right now. So I'm gonna pivot. This is my left foot. Left foot's gonna pivot in, okay? And as I put it down, watch, I'm gonna pivot my toe in. So I'm actually moving, okay? I'm moving to my right. Okay, rewind that one more time. So that in itself is a little bit difficult, just trying to balance, okay? So I think what I would suggest is when you first do it, don't even worry about the arms. Right when you start, 1 right on the 2. So we have 1 right on the 2. See how I'm pivoting? And then 3, boom, I step, okay? Right on the 4, I'm gonna step forward. So learn the feet first, okay? One more time, just watch the feet. 1 is nothing, okay? 2, pick up. I pick up my right knee up, and in my left foot, I'm pivoting. As I put my right foot down, left foot is coming down, okay? The toe is moving close. And then right on the 4, I step forward. And as I step forward, there's a little bit of turnout of my left foot, okay? Now, let's focus on the arms again. 1, as I said before, here's the triangle. So Rico actually did the opposite. And also, if you look at his elbow is like straight right in front of his head, whereas my elbow is in front of my shoulder. Does that make sense? Hopefully you guys can see that. Anyways, and also, if he were to mirror me, this hand should have been on the shoulder. It's not touching the shoulder, okay? And then down, arms down, no problem. Arms down, no problem. Boom, come up again. At least Rico's consistent. He's using his other arm. Boom. That's my 4. All right. Here we go. Let's watch that tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's tempo. Here we go. Let's watch the 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Breaking this down. Watch the leg first. All right. So I'm pivoting. I'm gonna watch my front foot, which is my left foot. I'm going to pivot. The heel moves first. So I'm pivoting on the toe. 5. That's 5. Okay. 6. See, I'm pivoting. There's my 6 right there. Okay. 7. On the 7, my knees comes up. So my heel also come up. It's hard to tell what my back foot is doing. But basically, you can see what Rico's back foot is doing. But however, his front foot is not moving. So both feet, both heels are coming off the ground. Okay. That's the 7. And then on the 8, boom, return back to the 8, okay? The foot should be down, all right? Let's watch that again. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 7, 8, the idea is you're trying to keep the head and shoulder in place, okay? You're isolating that in place. You're just bringing the knees up and the heels up while you're swinging your arms back, okay? Okay, let's watch that again. 6, 7, right there. 7, 8. Again, try to keep this in space. All right, here we go. Let's move forward. So this is tempo, 5, 6, 7, 8, tempo. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got some goofballs in the background, so here you go. Look at this guy right there. That's Joy right there. And that's homegirl Alyssa. She was in the previous video. All right, here we go. One more time, tempo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Moving forward, here we go. Let's break this down. So again, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the first 8 count together. Watch the first 8 count together. 5, 6, 7. Again, we got 2 goofballs in the back right there. That's all right. This is part of the class, part of the fun. But as far as video, let's try to ignore them and focus on this routine right here. Okay, and Camille, all right. If you guys want to hit her up, say, Camille, what the hell are you doing this? trying her best imitation of Michael Jackson's backslide. Here we go. One more time. We're gonna do this tempo. The first 8 count. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And you guys notice, look at Rico actually did the correct arm on this one right there. Oh, excellent. Good job, Rico. All right, moving forward. Moving forward now. The next 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do halftime. 1, and 2, 3, 4. Hold the 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the leg again. Just watch the legs. 1 on the 1. I'm just tapping. Okay, just tap. Rico's gonna tap right there. That's the 1, and I'm swinging my arms again. 1, and I'm gonna step back and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Come up on the 3. Boom. Right when I come on the 3, my head is facing the front, the audience, which is in the class is just a mirror. Okay, and notice my body is facing diagonally. Okay, so that's 3, and I hold the 4. Hold the 4. Okay, let's watch this one. Tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 and 2, 3, hold 4. So that part's pretty easy. We're gonna move forward to the next 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, rewind that one more time. So we hold a 4 immediately and 5. When you do the and 5, I'm gonna step. Watch. I want you to pay close attention to what the feet's doing. And see that and 5 and 5. Watch me for a second because I think Rico was a little bit slow on the and 5. One more time. 4 and 5. Okay. The idea is right when you're on the 4, your face, your head is not supposed to move. I didn't do a perfect job because you notice my head actually did move a little bit. This is 4 and 5. I was trying not to move it. This move is called the Neko Flex, taught to me by Skeeter Rabbit and Poppin' Pete. Neko Flex. Okay. So the idea is you keep your head in space while the whole body is turning 180 degrees. All right. So again, going back to 5 and 5 and 5. Turn, look on 6. Turn the head, just the head, so the body stays 6. And right when you turn back on 7, you're stepping out. 7, and then you pop again on the 8. 7 and 8. You could notice that my leg is popping right there. Okay. One more time, slow. And 5. Look on 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Let's watch this tempo. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. One more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So again, if you need help, go ahead and rewind it back. And in case you guys didn't know, you guys are on YouTube. There's a function in there in the settings. You can play at a slower speed if you like to, or faster if you're reviewing this and you want to move to a certain section you want. Okay. Okay. Having said that, now let's move forward to the next part. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here we go. Let's rewind it back. We're going to do the last 8 counts, starting from the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? And this is going to be tempo. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Good. Moving forward, let's go to the next next 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we're just turning our head right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so obviously right on the 1, we bring our hands down, our legs come together. 1, and then right on the 2, just turn the head. Okay, right on the 3, you turn your head, you walk back. Right leg, and then left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's watch what that looks like. Speed, tempo. Here we go. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And obviously, once you get this, definitely want you to pop with it. Okay. All right. Now, next section, we're gonna go to 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's watch that one more time. 5. Right when I do on the 5, the right leg is stepping out. Rewind that real quick. Okay. So here you go. Here's my 5. I'm stepping out. Boom. 5. And I'm gonna turn just the lower half. So my upper half, upper body, shoulder, and head is gonna stay still. That's my 6. Okay, I'm doing a heel toe turn. Heel toe, you see that? The toe is moving here, the back foot, the heel is moving. Or I'm pivoting on the heel, I'm pivoting on the toe right there. That's 6. Upper body now, finish. 7, 8. So this has like a little bit of reverb, like a when you swing the door, it goes boom, boom, bounce, bounce. So you're doing it on the 7 and the 8. Okay. All right, let's watch that one more time. Halftime. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we stop right on the 8. Let's check it out. Tempo. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tempo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay, so we're gonna quickly move forward to the section now where we're doing the last 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. This is tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very quickly. Now we're gonna put it all together. Let's check it out what it looks like. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you guys got this routine down. Once you get this down, practice it with the pop. You want to pop because without popping, you're just doing choreography, and it's not the same. It's not as fun as when you actually pop. All right. Anyways, hope you had fun. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you do like it, hit that like and hit the bell so you get a reminder when I upload the next video. So I'll see you in the next one. Have fun.